Jack Stillman messenger bags and satchels now feature improved ability to fix your bags to motorcycles and push bikes. We've added double D-rings at the top to create a simple friction lock system. We've also reinforced webbing on both sides and added the single D-ring at the base of all bags. We've also rolled out a new range of cotton webbing straps to help you find the best combination for your bike. Attaching a Jack Stillman bag to your bike is always different depending on the model, but I do recommend using a compatible luggage rail. These aren't expensive, but they make the job easier and give you more options and peace of mind on the road. Top straps can be fixed under the seat, through the frame or over the fender as shown here. Always tie down the base of the bag so it pulls tight to the bike. Jack Stillman bags provide a great looking alternative saddlebag for custom and classic motorcycles. They're Australian designed and made by our own team in Vietnam. Jack Stillman bags are water resistant, beeswaxed canvas and real brass. All of the leather is hand finished from raw veg tanned leather. You can also attach them to your bicycle. For more information, check out the website or send us a PM to discuss your bike. Bronson approves.